Okay, today we will discuss data interpretation and data analysis. These play a very important role in the mains exam as well as prelims exam. So, first of all, what is meant by data interpretation and data analysis? So, you will be given with one data, and below each and every data, you will be having some 4 or 5 problems. So, there are so many types of data interpretation problems. One is the pie chart. Second one is the bar diagram. Third one is the table data. Fourth one is the line graph. Fifth one is the radar diagrams. And sixth one is nothing but caselet or data analysis. So you will be given with these are the types of problems that will come in data interpretation. One is the pie chart, one is the bar diagram, one is the table data, line graph, radar diagram, caselet or data analysis. So what is meant by data analysis? You will be given the question with in terms of one paragraph. You have to solve that and you have to answer the questions. So that is called as data analysis. Now today we will discuss some of these problems, whether it is table data, bar diagram, pie chart or like that. Let us see the first question. The following table data. So this is one table data. You are given with one table. The following table shows the total number of students appeared in the entrance exam from 6 different schools and the ratio of pass and fail among them. Answer the questions based on this table. So here you are given with some table data. Total appeared is given, total pass and total fail is given. Appeared is 646, pass and fail it is given in 2010 as 11 is to 8, 2010 B 847, pass is 4 parts, fail is 7 parts. Like that you are given with 3 years 2010, 2011, 2012. Total appeared in any year is nothing but total pass students plus total fail students. So straight away we will go to the questions. See the first question. What is the difference between total number of students passed from D in the year 2010 and 3/4 of the students who failed from B in the year 2012? The D 2010 pass. We have to take two things. One is D 2010 pass students. 2010 D students are 876, out of which pass and fail 7 is to 5. We want pass, so into 7 by 12. If you do the calculation, 12 sevens 84, 12 threes 73 into 7, it is 511. 511. Now, next, 3/4 of the failed students from B 2012. B 2012, total 952 students are there. In this, we want failed students. Fail will be 8 by 17. In this, we want 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. Let us do the calculation. I am dividing with 17. 17 5s 85, 17 6. 4 ones, 4 twos. It is 56 into 2 is 112, 336. So one value you got 511, one value you got 336. What is the difference of 511 and 336? 11 minus 6, 5. 10 minus 3, 7. 4 minus 3, 1. So the answer is 175. Option 3 is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. What is the total number of failed students from A and D in all over the years? So we have to calculate A and D failed students from all over the years. First of all, I am taking A. All over the years means 2010, 11, 12. No, first of all, we will take A. First A. We have to calculate failed students. 646 into 8 by 19. The next one for 2011, it is 754 into 6 by 13. Then it is 672 into 5 by 8. See, 6 by 13, this is 5 by 8. Now let us do the calculations part. Calculations part we will do. 19 threes, 57, 19 fours. 34 into 8. 8 fours, 32. 8 threes, 24, 27. 272. This is 13 5, 65, 13 eights. So 6 into 8, 348. This one, 8 8, 64, 8 fours. So it is 420. 420. If you do the calculation, 10, then 3, 7, 14, 5, 8, 10. 1040. This is A failed students. Now similarly you have to calculate D failed students from all the 3 years. First year it is 876 into 5 by 12. Next year it is 828 into 7 by 18. Next year it is 988 into 12 by 19. Let us do the calculations part. 12. 12 sevens, 84, 12 threes. So 5 into 3, 15. It is 365. Next one, 18 4, 72, 18 6, 7 6, 42, 322. Next one, 19 fives, 95, 19 twos. 12 into 624. If you do all the values, 11, it is 11, 13. We got 1311. One we got 1040, one we got 1311. We want total. Total in the sense we should add both the values. 1040 plus 1311 will come 2351. Option is 3. Let us see the next question. What is the difference between the number of students passed from ABD in 2011 and failed from ACF in 2012? So we have to calculate ABD pass in 2011. ABD pass in which year? 2011. Similarly, ACF fail in 2012. First of all, ABD pass 2011 we will do. 2011 it is 754. 754 into pass means 7 by 12. Next, B, it is 845 into pass value 8 by 13. Then come to C, it is not C, D, it is 828 into 11 by 18. So let us do this calculation. First of all, with 12, 12, 6, 72. So 754 into 7 by 13, sorry, 7 by 13. 13, 5, 65, 13 eights. 58 into 7, 7 eights, 56. It is 406. Next one, 13, 6, 78, 13 fives. 8 fives, 40. It is 520. The next one, 18 fours, 18 6. It is 506. If you add all these three, 12, 3, 14, 32. 14, 32. Now let us take ACF fail in 2012. ACF fail in 2012. 2012 A 672 into 5 by 8. The next one it is C 637 into 3 by 7. The next one it is F 924 into 13 by 21. Now let us do the calculation. 8 ones, 8 8, 64, 8 fours. It is 420. 420. The next one, 91. 91 into 3, 273. The next one, 21 into 4 is 84. Again 21 into 4, 13 fours, 52, 52, 57, 572. If you add all these three, we will get 560, 1265. So one value you got 1432, one value you got 1265. You have to find the difference. So minus 12 minus 5 7, 12 minus 6 6, 3 minus 2 1. So the answer is 167. Option is 1. Option is 1. See the next question. By what percent the approximately failed students of D are more or less than E pass from all the year? You have to calculate failed D and pass E. We have to calculate fail D and pass D. Fail D and pass of E from all the years. First of all, I will do D. We have to calculate fail 876 into 5 by 12. So observe the table here. Then it is 828 into 7 by 18. Then 988 into 12 by 19. Now let us do the calculation. First one, 876 into 5 by 12. See, 12 ones, 12 sevens, 84, 12 threes. So we will get 365. 18 fours, 72, 18 6. We will get 322. 19 fives, 19 twos. We will get 624. If you add all these three, it is 11, 3, 5, 11, 13, 11. 13. Now we have to calculate pass of E. So 870 into 3 by 5. Pass. 726 into 7 by 11. 715 into 8 by 30. First, 5 17s, 85, 5 fours. 3 fours, 12, 22, it is 522. 11 6, again 11 6. 462. 13 fives, again 13 fives. It is 440. If you add all these 4, 12, 5, 9, 14. 1424. So 1 we got 1424, 1 we got 1311. 1311 is definitely less. What is the difference of 1311 and 1424? It is 113. 113 less. From where it is less? 1424 into 100. So do the calculation. 11,300 I am dividing with 1424. See, observe the two things, 14 and 130. So it will go approximately how many times? 8 times. So the answer is approximately 8% less. It is not exact answer, it is approximate answer. Let us see the next question. Total number of passed students from E in 2010 is what percent of the total number of failed students from C in 2012? First of all, E 2010 passed students. E 2010 pass. So in E 2010, how many students are there? 870. In this pass are 3 by 5. 5 17s, 85, 5 fours. So we will get 174 into 3, that is 522. Then C fail in 2012. C fail in 2012. 2012 total students are 637. In this failed students are 3 by 7. 7971. It is 273. 273. Now what is our question? The past students of E is approximately what percent of? Let us simplify these values with 3. 3 17s, 3 fours, 3 9. 174 is how much more than 91? Or 174 is what percent of 91? 174 by 91 into 100. Do the calculation. Rough calculation, 17,400. I am dividing with 91. 91 ones, 91. 4 minus 1, 3. 830. Now 9 times. 819. Now 1 time. So it is approximately 191 point something. So answer is 1. Now let us see the next question, 6 to 10. This is one data. It is given the table which shows the total number of students in the classes, 5 classes, who participate in 2 cultural activities, quiz and painting. It also shows the number of students who do not participate in any activity and the ratio of the students who participate in quiz and painting. There are total some students are there. out of which these students are not participating. The remaining students are participating in two activities, quiz and painting, in the given ratio. For example, I will tell about A or B. Let us take C. Total 240 students are there in C, out of which 110 they are not participating. So 130 are participating in quiz and painting in the ratio of 8 is to 5. So this will be 80, this will be 50. So like that we have to do the calculations. Now let us straight away go to the first question. See the first question. What is the total number of students who participate in quiz from B, C and E? So we have to calculate B value quiz. So first of all B, 330, 88 are not participating. What is the difference of 330 and 88? So first of all you have to do that calculation. 330 minus 90 is 240 plus 2, 242. How many are participating? 242. In this we want quiz. So quiz is 7 parts, painting is 4 parts. So it is 7 by 11. That is B. Similarly, you have to calculate C. Out of 240, 110 are not participating. So 130. In this we want quiz, 8 by 13. Then we have to take E. Out of 390, 130 are not participating. So 160 are participating in this quiz, 8 by 13. Let us do the calculation. 11 twos, 22, 11 twos. It is 154. 13 ones, 13 tens, it is 80. Now, the next one, this is 260, not 160, 260. 390 minus 130, 260. 20 into 8, 160. So, what is the total strength who are participating? That is the sum. 4, 14, 19, then 3. It is 394. Option 1 is the, option 2 is the correct answer. Next one. What is the ratio of the students who participate in painting from B and C to that of quiz of A and D? We have to take the things painting of B and C. Painting of B and C. Let us do this one. B painting. Out of 330, 88 are not participating. So 242 are participating. So we have to take B plus C painting. I am calculating B. Painting will be 4 by 11. Painting will be 4 by 11. Now come to C. So out of 240, 110 are not participating, 130. Painting will be 5 by 30. Do the calculation. 11 twos, again 11 twos, it is 88. 13 ones, 13 10, it is 50. Total 138. Then A and D quiz. A plus D quiz value. First of all, A. Out of 420, 119 are not participating. So, how many are participating? 301. 301. In this, we want quiz. So, it is 4 by 7. That is A. Come to D. Out of 125, 45 not participating. So, it is 80. In this quiz means 2 by 5. Let us do the calculation. 7 fours, 28, 7 threes. It is 172. 5 ones, 5 16, it is 32. So total we will get 204. So one value we got 138, one value 204. You have to find the ratio of 138 is to 204. Let us do with 6 twos, 6 threes, 6 threes, 6 fours. The answer is 23 is to 34. Option 3 is the correct answer. Next. What is the average number of students who participate in quiz of ABC? Now we have to calculate ABC quiz value. ABC quiz value you have to calculate. A, B and C quiz value you need to calculate. First of all, A. Out of 420, 119 not participating. So 301. In this we want quiz. So 4 by 7. Now come to B. Out of B, total 242 are participating. 242 are participating. In this, we want quiz. So 7 by 11. And now come to C. Out of 130, quiz 8 by 30. Do the calculations. 7 ones, 7 fours, 7 3. It is 172. 11 twos, again 11 twos. It is 154. 13 ones, 13 tens, it is 80. If you do the total, we will get 6, 8 plus 5, 13, 20, 406. We want the average, so divide with 3. Why? Because we are taking 3. Divide 406 with 3. 3 13s, 39. Then 3 15s. Answer is 135 1 by 3. Correct answer is 5. 135 1 by 3 is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. Students who participating from both cultural activities from class, this is not as class E, is what percent more or less than students who participated in quiz of C and T. Now, both cultural activities from class E, out of 390, 130 are not participating. So, E both will be 260. E both is 260. Now, quiz of C and D. We have to calculate quiz value of C and D. Let us take C. Out of 240, 110 are not participating, so 130. In this quiz, 8 by 30, that is 80. Now, out of 125 for D, out of 125, 45 not participating, so it is 80. In this quiz, 2 by 15, that is 32. So, how much we are going to get? This is 112. 112. Now, the question is 260 is how much more than 112? The question is 260 is how much more than 112? Let us do with 4. Simplification. 4 6 24, 4 5s. 4 2s, 4 8. 65 is more than 28 by how much? 37. From where it is more? 28. So 37 by 28 into 100. So do that calculation. 3700 with 28. 28 ones, 28. 28 threes, 84. 28 twos. So we will get the answer in 132 1 by 7. 132 1 by 7 is the correct answer. 132 4 by 28. 4 by 28 is nothing but 1 by 7. So the correct answer is 132 1 by 7, option 2. Let us see the next one. If the students who do not participate in any cultural activities from A is increased by 300 by 17%, then students participating in quiz from A is decreased by what percent? Now, first of all, A quiz is how much? That we have to calculate. Out of 420, 119 are not participating. So, 301 are participating. In this quiz value, 4 by 7, 7473, 172. Okay. Now read the first slide. Students who do not participating in any activity from A, that is 119 students. It is increased by 300 by 17%. 300 by 17% is nothing but 3 by 17. Increase means it is 20 by 17. If you do this, you will get 140. Now there are total 420 students. 140, they do not participate in any activity. Now how many are participating? 280. Because out of 420, 140 not participating, 280. In this quiz value, again it is 4 by 7. We will get 160. So previously it was 172. Now it is 160. How much it is decreased? 12. From where it is decreased? 172. What percent means into 100? Let us simplify with 4. 4 threes, 4 fours, 4 threes. So we will get 300 by 43%. 300 by 43% means option is 3. Let us see the next question. This is 11 to 15. This is also one more table data. Read the given information carefully, then answer the question. Given below is the table which shows the different types of work A, B, C, D, E and the ratio of efficiency to do these work of man, woman and child respectively and total time taken by the child to complete the different work. So efficiency is given. First one is man, next one is woman, next one is child. This is the time taken by the child. So what is the original formula for work? Work is equal to efficiency into time. For example, A. What is work A? Child is taking 20 days. Efficiency of child 4. So 20 into 4 is 80. For example, if a question is asked, how many men are required to complete, how many days a man will require to do the work? So man efficiency is 5. We have to do 80 by 5. So man will take 16 days to complete that work. How many days a woman will take? Then what we have to do? 80 by 3, because woman efficiency is 3. So here we are given with the time taken by child only. This is man efficiency, woman efficiency, child efficiency. The formula for work is work equal to efficiency into time. So child is taking 20 days, child efficiency 4. So what is A total work? 80. If you come to B child taken 10 days, efficiency of child is 2. So what is B total work? 10 into 2, 20. Suppose what is the work of C? 21 into 6, 126. Like that we have to do the calculations. Let us see the first question. Time taken to complete work A by 3 men, 2 women and 1 child is what percent more or less than time taken by 1 woman, 1 man, 3 women and 2 children to do that work D. Now there is work A and work D. Work A, 3 men. One man efficiency 5. So 3 men efficiency 15. 2 women. 1 woman efficiency 3. 2 women means 6. 1 child means 4. So total it is 25. What is the total work for A? 20 into 4, 80. So 80 by 25. These are the days taken for A. Now come to D. Now 80 by 25, or else if we simplify this, we will get 16 by 5 days. This is A. Now come to D. One man means 3. One man means 3. 3 women, 3 into 2, 6. 2 child, 2 into 1, 2. So total it is 11. Total it is 11. Total work 15 into 1, 15. So child 15 by 11. So time taken to complete work A by 3 men, 2 women and 1 child is 16 by 5. Whereas time taken by D to by 1 man, 3 women and 2 children is 15 by 11. This is what percent more than this? We have to subtract 16 by 5 minus 15 by 11. LCM is 55. It is 176. This is 75. We will get 101 by 55. So this will take 101 by 55 days more when compared to this. So what we have to do? 101 by 55 more. From where it is more? 15 by 11. It what percent means into 100. Do the calculation. 101 by 55 into 11 by 15 into 100. 11 ones, 11 fives. 5 threes, 5 twenties, 5 ones, 5 fours. We are left with 404 by 3. The correct answer is 404 by 3%. Option is 3. 3 is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. What is the ratio of the time taken by man and woman to complete work C to the time taken by 3 women and child to complete work E? First, work C and work. What is work C total work? 21 into 6, 126. This is about C. One man, one woman. One man efficiency 8, one woman efficiency 7. So the time taken will be 126 by 15. Now come to E. E total work 16 into 3, that is 48. 3 women and 1 child. 1 woman means 4, 3 women means 12. 3 women means 12. 1 child is 3. So 3 women means 3 into 4 is 12. 3 into 4, 12. 1 child 3. Total 15. So what is the ratio? 15, 15 cancel. Let us do with which number we can do? With 6 we will do. 6, 21, 6, 8. So the answer is 21 is to 8. Correct answer. 21 is to 8 is the correct answer. Option 2. Let us see the next one. If a man, woman and child started working alternatively, child on day 1, man on day 2, woman on day 3, then in how many days E will be completed? So first of all, what is E total work? 48. Why? Because 16 days, efficiency of child 3, 16 into 3, 48 days. Now child is working day 1, so 3 units completed. Man working day 2, 6 units completed. Women working day 3, 4 units completed. We have to take E only. So total 13 units are completed in 3 days. We are having 48 units. You see the nearest multiple of 13 which completely divides this nearest number to 48. We can take 42. We can take 39, sorry, 39. Nearest multiple to 48 which is completely divisible 13, 39. 13 to become 39 into 3. So 3 into 3, 9 days. In 9 days, 39 units is completed. Now, 10th day again who will do? First day child, next day man, next day woman. Now 10th day again child will do. Child will do how many units? 3 units. So with this 42 units completed. This is 10th day. 11th day again man will do. Man will do 6 units. Total 48 units completed. So total work is completed in 11 days. That is the correct answer. Option 4. See 14th question. The time taken by women to complete work C is what percent more or less than time taken by man to complete work D? So work C women. So work C means 21 into 6, 126. Women efficiency is 7. So 126 by 7 is 18. 18 days. Then work D man. So first of all, what is the total work? 15. Man means 3. 15 by 3, 5. The question is 18 is how much more than 5? 18 is more than 5 by 13. From where it is more? 5 into 100. We will get 260%. Option 5. 15th one. Working together, they get 4,500 for completing the work B and 1,800 for completing work D. So 4,500 for completing work B, 1,800 for completing work D. Then the share received by man in completing work B is what percent more or less than share received by man in completing work B. So here wages are directly proportional to efficiency. So how the amount is given not based on the number of working days but based on the efficiency. First of all, for completing work B, we are getting 4,500. This 4,500 is for man, woman and child. Now we want here the share received by man in completing work B. So what is man efficiency? 4. What is the total efficiency? 9. Why? Because 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. 9 ones, 9,500. So he will get 2,000 rupees. Now this is for work B. Coming to work D. Work D, he is getting 1,800 rupees. How many rupees? 1,800. Again the share received by man. Man is 3. Total 6. So 3 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 2. That will give 900. So for completing work B, the man is getting 2000. For completing work D, the man is getting 900. What is our question? B is what percent more or less? You may cancel the two zeros. Now 20 is how much more than 9? 20 is more than 9 by 11. 11. From where it is more? 9. So 11 by 9 into 100. So 11 by 9 into 100. So you have to remember this directly. 1 by 9 is always equal to 11 1 by 9. So 1 by 9 equal to 11 1 by 9. It is 11 by 9. So you multiply 11 into 11. 121. 11 into 11 is 121. 11 by 9. Or else it is 11 by 9. Again 11 by 9 means 1 2 by 9. So it is 122 2 by 9. The correct answer is 122 2 by 9. Option is 2. 2 is the correct answer. In the next class, we will discuss some more problems.